Well, maybe this will give you a bit of a clue as to why I've not been uploading videos lately. You can see here, nearly everything's gone. Still in a bit of a mess, but yeah, I'm selling up and moving house. And not only have I been trying to renovate this property where I live, there are two other properties that we've been trying to renovate as well. And one has just been purchased, the other one is another one we own that's has got to be sold. So apologies for not uploading, but as you can see, this is the reason why. And it's been I don't think I've uploaded any videos for probably 3 months at least, it might even be 4 months now. And but I just have not had a single minute of time. Working full time, working here at night, working on the weekends, it's not stopped for quite a few months now. And seeing as YouTube, you know, is no source of income whatsoever, I don't earn a single cent out of YouTube because I've only got 368 subscribers or whatever it is. Not enough in any way close to trying to monetize my channel, but you know, I haven't given up on my channel, and I really do appreciate those that haven't unsubscribed, because you'd have every right to. But yeah, look, for now, don't know when I'm going to even upload this video, but I'm going to try and get it done reasonably soon, so at least there's something. And ongoing, well, I have an idea for that. So thanks again, and stick with me, and I'll be back with you one day very soon. Well, here we are, and this is the whole place completely cleaned out. So obviously there's going to be no knife making, there's going to be no videos made in this room at least. As you can see, it's all been cleaned out now finally. We've sold the house, we'll be moving on, so there will be a different kind of video coming. Obviously I don't have a place where I can set up and create a workshop and do my thing, but what I am going to do is try and regularly post in different ways. So I'm going to be commentating on what's happening around the internet on in the knife making community. So this is basically the people that I follow. So, you know, there's a whole host of videos that I'll be commentating on, what they've been up to this week and all this kind of thing. So hopefully that will keep people interested whilst I figure out what I'm going to do with my channel, and how I'm going to possibly set up somewhere to make knives, do my thing. Who knows what the future holds, but I really appreciate you guys hanging in there, because I lost a few subscribers, I've gained a few, but it's really good to see that I still maintain the amount of subscribers I had before I embarked on this process. It wasn't easy to stop, but hey, things take precedence, I suppose. You know, I don't earn a single cent off this channel, so I had to give it away whilst I'm trying to renovate. Actually, we've got 2 or 3 houses we're trying to renovate, but this one was the first one. So it's done, it's sold, and we'll be moving on. So I shall talk to you again very soon. See you later.